Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen. Today I am working on my February canvas for Valentine's Day. I started this last week and I'd like to do a challenge and see how much of it that I can get done between now and the weekend. Today is Friday, February the 13th. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. But if I can finish it over the weekend, I will have achieved a great goal and challenge. But let's just wait and see if I can do it. So I will not be diamond painting for 24 hours both days. I just would like to get as much of it done as I possibly can. It is, let me tell you about the canvas. It is Love is in the Air by Brian Dean Rollison, and I purchased it from Distracted by Diamonds. It's 80 by 50 centimeters. You can find this canvas on Etsy under Patty Wax. That is the name of the shop. So it's PADDYWAXX. And if you do a Google search and you do Distracted by Diamonds or Patty Wax, you'll get to their Etsy site. They've been around for like 6 years on Etsy. And this is the second canvas that I purchased from them that I've started. The other one is Unbothered. And I have laid some drills down on that, but I wanted to work on this one for the month of February. So this is in stock. It cost $67.99. Be careful when you go to their site because I believe they also sell a drill substitution enhancement pack for this for $31.05. I did not purchase the substitution pack, but you just want to make sure that you're paying the $67.99 for the canvas and that you're not going for the drills thinking it's the canvas. It does say very clearly on the website that it's drills only. So I just wanted to point that out. But I absolutely love this artist and I wanted to share about the canvas, a little bit about it. So I gave you the size, the price, and you can also see my unboxing for this canvas I'll put a link down below where I unboxed it with actually my third purchase from them. That I did purchase another one, Summer Breeze, but this one is Love is in the Air. Okay, their drills are gorgeous. So let me these don't have, okay, so this has 42 colors with 4 mica mist. They call their fairy dust mica mist. So it's like fairy dust if you're familiar with Diamond Art Club kits, but this is a round and they are just absolutely beautiful. I have not purchased a square from them and I don't even know if they even have squares. Check out their website. If you all know better and you've done a Distracted by Diamonds kit that is square, please let me know in the comments down below. The drills, I think I said it before on one of my videos, probably the unboxing, because of when I placed some drills on Unbothered, I was really blown away. The canvas does not have the soft backing like Diamond Art Club. Of course, we compare everything to Diamond Art Club, but you don't have that soft backing, but you do have the scalloped edges. And the quality, the glue is great. The drills are great. No trash. I don't see any trash, and I've done this much of this canvas. So I've done the first far right column. And this is sideways, of course. Here's her face. But I want to get as much of this done. If I can get to her face and everything on this, towards me by Sunday, I'll be happy. But I want to get as much done as possible. And it's amazing how quickly you can do this. Actually, I timed myself. So let me see, how long did it take me to do this one column? I'm going to look at my Clockify under the summary for this particular project. This column took me, it's taken me basically, this took me 5 hours, which to me is a lot faster. And maybe it was because of the color blocking, and I have my light pad on so you can probably see my imperfections, but I feel like it moves quickly, like it works up fast. That's why I'm challenging myself to get as much of it done, get it done over the weekend as much as possible. Okay, what else can I tell you about this? Are you all doing a Valentine's Day canvas? Are you doing a canvas in February for Valentine's? If so, please comment down below and let me know. I'm going to continue to work on this, and then just wanted to let you know that I have a quick update about the 500 subscriber giveaway, and this is the canvas flavor for the day. Oh, I also did want to tell you that if you watched my Josephine wall, my last video, I was working on a 20 by 17 centimeter section, and I didn't finish it in the time lapse, but I did work on it a little bit yesterday. I finished that, and I'll put a picture in here. Is everybody ready for the weekend? Do you have any plans? What are you doing? Anything? My husband and I have been together for so long that we are at a place. I'm sorry, I just hit the camera again, y'all. Oops. We've been together for so long that it's one of those things. It's like, okay, what would you like for Valentine's? And we tell each other, and then we get them for each other. So he wanted a leather guitar strap from an Amish company on Etsy. So I got that for him, and then I asked for a little, like a comfy, it's from Cozy Earth, and he had purchased one for me for Christmas, an outfit, like a jogger suit, like it's like jogger sweatpants and a top. And so I just picked another one in pink. I always wear black. That's like my go-to because it makes me look thinner. But I thought, you know what? I'm adding more color in my life, so I picked. It's like their little crop pants. And he had heard about that company, I think, listening to Sean Hannity, or I forget. He listens to podcast stuff. But anyway, they kept talking about the cuddle blanket. So he got it for me for Christmas. I don't know if I talked about this in a video before or not, but I'll share it with you now in case I didn't. And I'm talking about the Valentine's gift that he got me ordered. But anyhow, he got the cuddle blanket. It arrived, and you all, that cuddle blanket is like a weighted blanket, but it is heavy. It felt like it was like 30 pounds heavy. So we tried to sleep with it one night, and we just couldn't. We we couldn't keep it, so we returned it. I felt bad but he was like, yeah, it's not what I thought it was, because people can advertise anything. And we got it here, and thank goodness. It took forever for us to get the money back, but finally we did. I had to call them, and I needed a different size, and because he got me 2 joggers, and the other one wasn't in stock, and so we had to wait, and I was like, forget it, just cancel that, and I'll get this other one that's on sale and in stock, so hopefully it'll arrive. But anyway, we won't do anything. We won't go out for Valentine's, but we will enjoy one another's company, and just I'll diamond paint, and maybe he'll work on one of his painting sparkles that I got him for Christmas. So, and I do have to say, I don't know if you saw that video where I unboxed all the Sparkle Pals. Did I say painting sparkles? I need to rewind and go back. Hang tight, I'll be right back, because that is not what I meant. I meant sparkling pals, I need to go check what I said. Okay, so that's hilarious. I just went back and I definitely said I got him painting sparkles. Romy, I did not get my husband any painting sparkles. Painting Sparkles is a putty company that I have in my multi-placer. Sparkling Pals from Diamond Art Club are what I got my husband for Christmas. So that was hilarious. Okay, slow down, Colleen. I'm not even going to edit it out. That was hilarious. Okay, I got him the Sparkling Pals from Diamond Art Club. They have the Marvel. I think they have Barbie, and they have Frozen. And so anyway, I had gotten him the Marvel ones because I had gotten Spider-Man, and I also, when we went to see my sister for Thanksgiving, I took it up there for my nephew. I had asked my husband, I'm like, okay, look, you haven't done the Spider-Man yet. Do you mind if I gift it to my nephew? And I'll get you another one. And he's like, sure, yeah, go ahead. So we all get together at my sister's. I gave Spider-Man to my nephew, and we all sat at the table and did diamond painting together as a family, and it was wonderful. So when we got home, I needed to place an order with Diamond Art Club. Of course I needed to. And you can't just buy a canvas. One, you have to buy 2, right, to get the $75 free shipping. And so I thought, it would be a good idea. If you like these, I can just add them to my wish list. And as I purchase canvases, and if I need something small to add in there for free shipping, I can do the Sparkling Pals. Yeah, I said Sparkle Pals. They're not even sparkling. They just are sparkles. The Sparkle Pals. So he was like, yeah, sure. So I added Black Widow, Thor, Iron Man, anyway, a bunch of them. Well, I look over after a bunch of them have arrived because I've purchased lots of kits. And he has completed Spider-Man, Loki, Captain America, Iron Man, the Hulk, and Hawkeye. So he only has Black Widow left to do. So he'll probably work on that. But how cute. I love that he's diamond painting with me. Because at first he was like, I'm not going to do that. I'm a guy. I'm not going to diamond paint. And I'm like, okay. And then now he's diamond painting. And I love it. And it's lovely. So that's fun. So hopefully maybe he'll work on Black Widow. I've been trying to, he likes Randall Spangler, and I've been trying to get, so he would, when I'd show him Randall Spangler's canvases, excuse me, he really liked, like, I wasn't big on the dragon, but he liked it. And so I have a couple, and one of them is Pajama Time. And it just reminds me of us eating ice cream and watching TV in our pajamas, like after work. But anyway, I did hint, we could do that together. Like, you work on one end and I work on the other end. And that's why I like watching Jules and Lorraine. They're just so adorable because they are a couple and they diamond paint together. And I just think it's a dream that I have. So the fact that he's doing the Sparkle Pals that's great. It gives me hope. He may work on a big one day. Who knows? Okay, so what are you all doing? Anything? I think I already asked that. So let's see. The other thing I wanted to share was, so we're coming up on the 400, no, I haven't even reached 450 yet subscribers. But if you're watching this, if you could click like and subscribe, that'll get us closer to 500. And if you could share this channel with your friends and family, I'd appreciate it very much. It would help a lot. And it just shows that you support me creating more videos. What I'm going to do is I've created a Google form. And initially, when I came up with this idea of doing this giveaway of the Cheryl Baker Mystery 102 canvas. And if you're interested in seeing what the image is, you can go to Facebook, the Diamond Art Club mystery group, and find out what the image looks like. Because if you're like me, you'll want to know what it is before you get it. But I'm going to be gifting it away in the U.S., for U.S. If you are outside of the U.S. and international, then I will ask for you to please pay for shipping. But if you are in the U.S., I can pay the shipping, cover the shipping cost, and no cost for the canvas. So I'm going to link the Google form down below, and if you could fill out the form, all I need is your name and your email, like a way to get in touch with you. Because I've never done this before, but I would like for this to be successful, and I don't want to miss anyone. So I'm going to go back, and on all of the videos where I mention this giveaway, I'm going to capture the YouTube names of the folks that have shown interest, that have specifically said they are interested in the Cheryl Baker giveaway. Now, even if you have commented, please fill out the form if you don't mind, just so I have a way to get in touch with you if you win. I'm going to put everyone's name in a wheel, and I will videotape me spinning it and landing on the winner. And then I will announce and show the video on my channel after I've hit the 500 subscribers. So if you're interested in winning this canvas, please fill out the Google form down below. Just your name and your email address so that I can contact you if you win. That's that. And let's see, do I have anything else for today? I don't think so. Do you think I can finish this canvas in a weekend? It's pretty big. I don't know. I have lofty expectations of this. And I'm really just challenging myself to see how far I can get with it. And it is going to be my dedicated project for the weekend. Are you working on anything this weekend? I'd love to hear from you all. You all have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.